Hi guys, papunta tayo ng Panikwason sa Paga Retreat Center sa inaugural opening.
This project or this whole idea of retreat center was conceptualized. Ito pong kinauupuan nyo ngayon. Nabuo po ito 1988. This project was conceptualized 1988 na po ito nabuo. So you can just imagine the span of time. After 36 years, nangyari po itong, how did it happen? Okay? There was a time that I heard about this place in Antipolo, Rizal, called Touch of Glory Prayer Mountain. It is a place where every single Christian, regardless of their denomination,
Hi! Hello, the administrator of the Paga Recreation Center.
Sister QC.
Yes, and Pastor Ed.
Kahit ngayon dito.
Hindi, I mean, pag magpupunta dito, ikaw ang pupunta
Ay, yes
namin.
po. You can contact.
Dito ka mag-stay? Oh, may balak ko para sa family. Oo, family.
Hi guys, ito po yung prayer cell. Ito po yung prayer room wherein you can pray, you can seek God's face, where the presence of the Lord dwells, where angels are ascending and descending. Napakasarap manalangin po sa napakatahimik na lugar na ito. Magbasa ng Bible, mag-meditate, mag-search ng will ng Panginoon. At dito po yan sa Paga Retreat Center, Naga City, sa Panikwason, kilometro 14. The Lord is good forever.